my dear students. I welcome back to Science online class. Have you referred the students' book? Have you understand the lesson? Okay. If bones are hard, rigid and not flexible, then how are we able to move? Using joints. Today we are going to learn about joints. Joints are the area where two or more bones meet. Most joints are allowing the bones to move. It is the connection made between bones in the body which link the skeletal system into a functional whole. They are constructed to allow for different degrees and types of movements. What is the strongest joint in the body? The muscles and ligament that surround the joint are also some of the largest and strongest in the body. Do you know the functions of joints? Joints hold the bones together to form the skeleton. It supports movement. Joints allow skeleton be rigid. Joints have different kinds. Some joints are immovable and some joints are movable. Joints in the skull are immovable joints because they do not allow there any movement. Many different kinds of movable joints are there. They allow different kinds of movements. Now we can learn about different kinds of movable joints. They are ball and socket joint, gliding joint, hinge joint, pivot joint and saddle joint. What are the four types of joints? Ball and socket joint, gliding joint, hinge joint, pivot joint and saddle joint. First one is ball and socket joint. The shoulder and hip joints are the only ball and socket joints in the human body. They allow backward, forward, sideways and rotating movements. And also they allow internal and external rotation. The hip joint, which is covered by the surrounding structures. We are able to swing our arms and legs in various directions. Ball and socket joints have two components: ball-shaped end and cup-shaped end. Ball and socket joint, in which the round end of a bone fits into a cavity of another bone. Where the ball and socket joints are present? Shoulder and hip. Next one is gliding joint. Gliding joints allow the bones to glide past one another in any direction along the plane of the joint, up and down, left and right, Gliding joints are found in the wrist and ankles. The small bones of these joints are padded by cartilage and other tissues to make movement. The gliding joints in the body have limited movements. Gliding joint in which the opposite surfaces are flat or only slightly curved so that the bones slide against each other in a simple and limited way. How many kinds of movable joints we have learned today? Ball and socket joint and gliding joints. What are the different kinds of movable joints? Ball and socket joint, gliding joint, hinge joint, pivot joint and saddle joint. Ball and socket joints are present in our shoulder and hip. Gliding joints are present in wrist and ankles. Good morning, dear children. In which topic we have learned in the last class? About bones. Is it? Bones are the hardest part of in our body. Bones are the hardest part of in our body. How many bones are there in the human body? Total 206 bones. These are the 206 bones joined together. They form the skeleton or skeletal system. Okay. Which are the three types of bones we have learned in the last class? Skull, backbone and rib cage. Is it? Skull, backbone and rib cage. Skulls are, this is the skull. Is it? Skull is made up of 22 bones or together they make a skull. Okay. The skull joined with upper jaw and lower jaw. These are the jaws have teeth. These are the jaws have teeth. Teeth used to chew the food. Is it? Next one is backbone. Listen. This is the backbone. How many vertebrae are joined together? They form the backbone. Total 33 vertebrae. Okay, 33 vertebrae joined together. They form a backbone. Okay. What is the shape of this vertebrae? Disc-like shape. Okay, disc-like shape structure is called vertebrae. Okay. What is the other name of backbone? Vertebral column, spinal column or spine. Okay. Next one is rib cage. Okay. How many pairs of ribs are there? 12 pairs of ribs joined together. They form a rib cage. Okay. This rib cage protect the internal organs like heart and lungs. Okay, children. Do you remember that? Okay. Today we are studying about joints. Okay. What is the meaning of joints? Without joints, cannot make the skeletal or cannot move the skeletal system. Okay. Area where two or more bones meet together, it is called joints. Area where the two or more bones meet. Listen here. Here two bones are there, one bone is here. Okay. So these are the bones joined together at a point. Okay. That is called joint. Listen here. This is the lower limb. Okay. From the hip to down, from the foot. Okay. From the foot to hip. Listen here. Here three types of bones are there. This is femur. Okay. Femur, tibia and fibula. Okay. These are the three types of bones joined together at a point, this point. Okay, this is called joint. In the joints have two types. One is movable joint, another one is immovable joints. Movable joints and immovable joints. Listen, this skull is made up of bones. You see, in the bones have different types of joints. Okay, it has more joints, but this is the immovable joint. Skull is the immovable joint because they cannot move from here to there. Okay. And that is the immovable joint. Then many different kinds of movable joints are there. Okay, many different kinds of movable joints because they can move different ways. Okay, what are the different types of movable joints? Ball and socket joint, gliding joint, hinge joint, pivot joint and saddle joint. Okay, what are the 5 types of joints? Ball and socket joint, gliding joint, hinge joint, pivot joint and saddle joint. Okay, this ball and socket joint, they are in the shoulder and hip. Okay, the ball and socket joints are in the shoulder. Okay, see, these are the ball and socket joint. Okay, shoulder. Another one is hip. Hip is the largest joint. Okay, hip is the largest joint. So this is called ball and socket joints. Okay, using the shoulder, the hand will be touch in their shoulder. Okay, we can rotate, we can turn here and there. Okay, we can rotate our hands, we can keep up and down. Okay, we can able to swing our arms and legs in any direction. Okay, because of these joints. Okay, listen here. In the hip we have ball and socket joint. This is the like ball shape. Is it? And it has two types. One is ball shaped joint, another one is cup shaped joint. Okay, ball and cup shaped joint together, it is called ball and socket joint. Next one is gliding joints. Okay, these are the gliding joints found in our wrist. Okay, found in our wrist and ankles. Okay, listen here. This is the wrist. Okay, this is the gliding joint in our leg. This is the ankle. Okay, these are the joints are called gliding joints. When we use the ankle and wrist, we can move our hands and legs left to right, up and down. We can rotate it. Okay, two types of flat surface. Okay, two types of flat surface of the bones joined together. It is called gliding joint. Did you understand? Ball and socket joint and gliding joint. Ball and socket joints found in the shoulder and hip. Then gliding joints are found in the wrist of the hand and angle of the feet. Okay. Remaining 3 joints are hinge joint, pivot joint and saddle joint. We can learn about these joints in the next class. You can refer the book. Okay, children?
Dear children, take your science book, page number 76. Take your students book, page number 76. You have to do one activity. The question is, trace the paper skeleton given below on a chart paper. Cut out the different pieces on the dotted lines, then join them together using paper clips at the joints. This would show how bones are rigid, although movements is possible at the joints. This is the activity for you. You should refer the book. Thank you.